Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from SudsySerenity. This is a black cloud with a bunch of gold mica on it, and I assumed, perhaps incorrectly, that it was a bath bomb. It sank to the bottom, which is fine. It was pretty heavy. Sometimes bath bombs do that. And then I quickly panicked and I was like, oh my gosh, what if this was supposed to be a bubble bar? I think this was supposed to be a bubble bar. This exact one is not on her website anymore. And I believe she sent me the curated box, which includes 3 bath bombs and a bubble bar. And so I took it out and tried running it underwater, and it was kind of making bubbles. So I'm not quite sure. This is me not knowing. But I will say it smelled really good. All of her products are fragranced very heavily, so the smell will linger long after you've gotten out of the bathtub. I can even smell it like the next day. And they've all been really nice smells. So you can see it like floating on the side there. I went back to, okay, well, maybe it is a bath bomb. I wasn't quite sure, but it was very moisturizing, and the gold mica was all over the tub floating, and it looked really pretty. So I took my camera off the tripod so you could kind of see it swirling about on top. Looked like a fun little storm in the water. And I've posted a few other demos from her that actually were more of a demo than me being confused. But if you want to see those, make sure you check out my channel, and I'll put her Etsy site below. She does have some great products and hopefully more to come. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.